A very competitive field of 13 runners will contest this Saturday's 6th running of the Grade 1 Diamond Mile event, which has been reintroduced on the local racing calendar. Last year's Mute Mile winner and reigning horse of the year, Rideallday, will take on 12 rivals in the $10 million Diamond Mile. The 4-year-old American-bred Roan Colt, who broke the 29-year-old track record for 8.5 furlongs on April 6, will be ridden by veteran jockey Ian Dolly Baby Spence and will break from gate number 13. Other top contenders include Legacy Isle, who set a new track record for 7 furlongs a month and a half ago. The Rohan Crichton-trained 6-year-old bay horse will take a 2-time reigning champion jockey Radish Roman to post position 9. Former Horse of the Year and the 2024 Mute Mile winner Funky and Dunn will start from gate number 5 with his favorite rider Robert Halladine, while another recent track record breaker, Phenomenal Power, to be partnered by inform apprentice Tajay Suku, has been drawn in post position 7. The lineup is completed by Gervano with Tevin Foster, Royal Poppy with Dane Dawkins, Of a Revolution to be guided by Ryan Lewis, Barnaby to be ridden by Eric Horton, Blue Vinyl with Richie Shakes, Sir Don the mount of Philip Parchment, Pack Plays with Jaheim Anderson, Neo Star to be partnered by Jordan Barrett, and Nautical Star the mount of 6-time former champion jockey Omar Walker. The official post position draw was conducted at Caymanas Park on Tuesday.
The Diamond Mile was first conceived in 2015, and immediately it reignited new interest and excitement in the thoroughbred racing industry here at Caymanas Park. This year we intend to add this prestigious race back to the cadre of very important races on our calendar in 2026.
The Diamond Mile was contested from 2015 to 2019 before being replaced by the Mute Mile in 2022.